asking me to record in. Okay. Now, the first topic is C#.NET. Why people are calling C#? Why it is not calling as a C hash? Anyone know that? Anyone? Anyone would have seen my videos earlier. I had explained that. Did anyone saw that? Balaji, Namrata. Anyone would have seen my Santosh Patil, Durga. Anyone would have seen that?
No, sir.
Why I am calling a C#.NET is a why people are calling C hash as a C#.NET. See, in musical keyboard, there is a hash in the top right corner. Okay, there is a hash, which we will call it as a sharp note. Understand? Which we will call, musical people will call as a sharp note. What the sharp will happen is it will produce more sound compared to other sound. So that is why people are calling C#.NET. So more sound to become powerful. Microsoft decided C# as C# as a pronunciation because pronunciation. Got my point? The reason behind is C# is a most powerful programming language in .NET framework. Do you all agree with this point?
Yes.
Say yes or no? C# is a most powerful programming language in .NET. Chari?
Yes. I agree.
Yes.
Chari, you got the point?
Yes.
So the point here
Yeah.
is, if the C# is the most powerful programming language, it is the very first thing is it is a case sensitive. What is meant by case sensitive? Can anyone tell me what is meant by case sensitive? When we call a code is a case sensitive.
It accepts both lowercase and uppercase letters.
That is normal, right? When you will call a case sensitive? Come on, guys. Hey, Durga, tell me, Ra.
Yes.
Still, sir.
What is case sensitive?
It should accept words as it is, like console C should be capital.
What? Yes, you are right. If your console is C, capital small letter on a particular word, you should do as it is. You should not change it. Or you got my point? That is why C# is a case sensitive. Second point is it is a purely object oriented. I won't say normal object oriented. I'm saying purely object oriented programming language. I will explain when it will become a purely object oriented. Don't worry about it. Okay, I will explain in the upcoming session. When we call this as a purely object oriented. And second thing is easy to handle of memory management. Easy to handle of memory management. Understand? It is a case sensitive. It is purely an object oriented programming language, easy to handle memory management. Let us do a small program. Program one. Just invite a console application to all. Inside invite a display for an invite. Just display an invite. Okay. How I'm going to display is just go to programs here. You see there is a Visual Studio. In this Visual Studio, this is the place where you are going to open. When you click open, a Visual Studio command prompt. This is the place where you are going to create your all projects. Now, once you come up with this dialog, you see there is a continue with without code. Are you able to see continue without code? Say sir. Guys, going forward, you have to talk. Click on continue without code. The ID will become. This is the IDE where you are going to create all your projects. This is the IDE where you are going to create everything end to end. So the very first thing is you go to file, new, project or solution. The ID will become like this. In that you see there is a console.app framework. Are you seeing a project template? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, are you seeing a project template? Like that, it have multiple templates. Step by step, I will explain all the templates whenever there is a needed. Okay, don't worry about it. We are going to learn all the templates. First, we are going to select console app.NET framework. Click on next. And then I'm saying sample console app. This is the application name, project name I'm creating. And then what is your batch number? What is your batch number? Your batch number is fullstack.net. So here you click on a folder saying that source code. All your code will be created here. All your code will be created here. Select folder. Now you see D fullstack.net source code and your project name is console. Now you see there is a framework versions. How many versions we have in this framework? How many versions we have? 2 framework versions are there. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Now tell me, what is .NET framework, which we discussed the day before yesterday and yesterday? What is .NET framework? Those who attended my session yesterday, tell me what is a .NET framework. I want answer from you.
It is used to build applications.
It is used to?
Build applications.
Okay. What about others? Balaji, Chalavadi. Chari.
Yeah, it is ID to implement, develop all .NET applications.
Okay. Prashant, Santosh, Suresh Pawar. Everybody, please understand and confirm me the answer.
That provide libraries, tools.
It's a library of framework where you are going to work on top of this library. What Namrata said is right. .NET is a framework which contains a list of libraries. We are going to use that libraries and we are going to print it. When you click create, you see a project file will be created. Is it creating a project? Are you able to see this? Now, when I create a project, you see there are a list of things are available. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove. Simply my sample console app, which is nothing but a project name. Am I right or wrong? Now go to your solution. You see there is a project name is created under a solution, and then one program.cs file will be created. This is the file we are talking. Public, you just make this class file as public as of now. Okay. Public program static void main method. Am I right or wrong? So what is the entry point of any executable file?
Main function.
Main function. Main is a method for any program entry point. Am I right? Now you see, if I change into M, okay, I'm trying to build. See, I want to confirm whether my code is perfect or not. You see, there is an arrow mark of build. Are you able to see a build here?
Yes, able.
So click on that. Click on that. You see, there is a list of things are there: build solution, rebuild solution, clean solution. So these are all the things we are going to frequently use. To frequently use, just I'm going to build it. When you build it, it will throw an error. What is the error? Can anyone read this?
Program does not contain a static method suitable for an entry point.
That means when you are creating an executable file, main method will be mandatory. Will my main method is a case sensitive or not? Is it a case sensitive or not?
Yes, sensitive.
Is it case sensitive?
Yes.
Everyone.
It's a case sensitive.
Is it a case sensitive, right? Because I'm using main only, the word main only, but what is the problem? M should be capital. Am I right?
Yes, and lowercase.
So when there is a case sensitive means you need to give as it is. So here you see, I'm giving M. Capital M. Now it will get active. Now what I'm going to do in the program, I'm going to remove static. Let's see. It will also throw an error. What they're saying?
Static is must.
It is must.
Static is must.
Static is must, yes.
It is a
Static.
method.
No, it is a keyword. It is not a method. It is a keyword. What we can do? Tell me. Balaji, guys. Hey, Prithvi. Hey, Prithvi. Prithviraj Gadve. Prithviraj Gadve. Okay, thank you. See, you see static void main string argument. Now here, in this argument, do I need to print welcome program? Say yes or no? Do I need to print a welcome program or not?
Yes, sir.
So to print welcome program, we
Console
need
dot
to
write
use
line. Console dot write line.
console
Dot write line.
dot
Write line.
write line. Welcome to iTask Technologies. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you see, when I build it, it will throw error. What they are saying? What it is saying?
Not exist.
The console does not exist in the current context. See, basically what happened is, this console comes from a namespace system. Under this namespace, this class is available. If you are not imported this namespace, what will happen? This will not understand what code we are writing. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, right.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Everybody. So yesterday
Yes,
we discussed, right? .NET is a framework. Using that framework, we are going to build an application. Am I right?
Yes, right.
So, with the help of system, which is part of the framework, with the help of console, which is part of the framework, with the help of outline, right line, which is part of the framework, I'm printing welcome to iTask Technologies. Is it correct or wrong?
Correct.
Sir.
Correct.
Now, console dot read line. Console dot read line. Understand? So now if you go and run the program, you got a welcome to iTask Technology. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's a very basic program. Everyone,
Yes,
is it a basic program or not?
yes, basic.
Yeah, basic programs.
Okay. Now, sir, I want to pass a string saying that I want to variable and all I will teach tomorrow. Let's do some planning here. Now come here. Here, system is a namespace under which console is a class, under which write line is a method. It is similar to Java. How many of you are aware of Java? System dot out
System out
print
system
ln.
println.
In .NET, system dot console dot write line. Understand my point?
Yeah.
Here, system is, we will call system is a package. Here we are calling system is a namespace. Understand my point? Remaining two are same. Out is a class, console is a class. Println is a method, write line is a method. Only the difference between the Java and .NET, here we are calling system is a package. Here we are calling system is a namespace. Understood? Bhagya, Prithvi, Surya Prakash, Balaji, Namrata. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So now coming back, sir, I want to print another text saying that console.writeLine, hi, welcome to iTask Technology. Okay. Sir, I want to get a value from the user. How do I do that, sir? If I give Narendra, I want to append a text here, Narendra. If I give XYZ, I want to append a text here, XYZ. So how do I do that? So what I'm going to do here, simply string. I'll tell data types tomorrow in detail. Don't worry about it. I'm just using a small variable name equal to, I'm getting username from the console. Once I receive the console here, I'm simply what I'm going to do using a curly braces and comma name. What I'm doing, I'm forming an object, just replacing this name variable holding the value to this place. What I'm doing, okay, I'll show you. I'm replacing the name variable value here. Understand? This is called string concatenation. This is how you have to form your string. So now, if you go back, try to run a program, F5. I'm saying Narendra. Now see, what is the value I'm getting? User is entered Narendra. The data, hi Narendra, welcome to iTask Technologies. Is it correct?
Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Bhagya Jadhav. She left. Shari,
Yes, sir.
Prithviraj Gadve, Guvala Kumar. You understand?
Got it, sir.
Okay, now come back. Sir, you have a void main method. Can I use mandatorily a class name as program? I'm saying program Narendra. Is it correct? Can we do this?
Yes.
Yes.
When you build program, it will succeed it. When you run program also, it will succeed it. Okay, I'm saying Balaji. So you get a Balaji. See, apart from this main method, if I don't have any main method, when I try to build the project, what will happen? Program does not containing a static main method suitable for entry point. So when you are building any executable file, you must and should have this method. Am I right?
Yes.
So can I say here in the notes, public static void main is the mandatory method for an entry point. Am I right? Mandatory method for an entry point of any programming. Understood?
Yeah.
Without public static void main method, you cannot write program in C#. It is not only for C#. If you are using Java, also main method. If you are using C, also main method. If you are using C++, also main method. Understand my point? So main method is a mandatory. Without main method, you cannot able to proceed further. Agreed? Clear? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Now, sir, what this project will produce me? When I build, right click, you see, I want to see the code. Okay. I'm going down. You see, there is a open in File Explorer. Will you all able to see this? Will you all able to see this?
Yes.
When you go to open file, you see there is a bin folder. Under debug folder. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete everything. I deleted. Listen carefully. I deleted everything. Okay, now go back. I'm trying to build. The moment I build it, a files are generated automatically. Side by side, I will do. Okay, now I'm deleting. Nothing is there. When I build a project, what will happen? A files are generated automatically or not?
Generated.
So this is the file we are going to execute in production. This is the file we are going to execute in production. Now you see, right click, open. You got a execution value. I'm saying Rajini. I got the value. Hi Rajini, welcome to iTask Technologies. I'm just executing the executable file, not from the code. Am I right? Mahesh, Padmaja, Prithviraj, Swaresh, Shari. You got the point or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we have to implement a basic console application. Any questions? Any questions on this?
No, sir.
See, in the build, basically, this is from the bin, right? Now, what happened when I want to compile program? There are two options. There are two options to build a project. To compile a program, compile a project. Okay. One is build option. Another one is release option. When I say build, we will use build for development purpose. Understand my point? We will use for development purpose. When I use a release, we will use for QA or production deployment purpose. What purpose? Production deployment purpose. Understand? Make sense? Surya, am I right or wrong? Surya?
Yes.
I think Namrata, am I right?
Yes, right.
You are worked in the industry, right?
Yes.
Now, if you go here, how do I need to make it as a release folder, sir? Just go, you see, there are two options. One is debug option, another one is release option. Am I right? Are you able to see?
Yes.
One is a debug option, another one is a release option.
Yes.
Now, what you will do, you select a release option, try to build. Now, you go back, under the release folder, you see there is a file. See, I'm removing those files. Go back. Even for the debug also, I'm going to release. Okay. I'm trying to build it. Let's see. I'm right now in bin folder, which have a debug and release folders. Two folders are available or not? You are having a two folders?
Yes.
Everybody. I have a debug folder. I have a release folder. Now, when I select release, when you click on a build, what will happen? You see the debug folder, no files are created. When you go back, go to the release folder, the files are created. You are telling the Visual Studio where you need to create your executable file. Always the best option, keep it in debug. Okay, if doesn't require, go for a release. When you release it, you see this is how the files will be configured. Everybody clear?
Yes.
Sir, tomorrow we are going to talk about one more concept. See, right now we created a project and we are executed what is the purpose of main method. Tomorrow, without main method, can I have a project? Which we are going to discuss, which is nothing but DLL. And we will write some program and we will finalize that. Any questions so far? Any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it good or bad? Let me stop my recording. Now feel free to ask my questions. Feel free to ask your questions. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Feel free to ask your questions. I'm ready to answer your questions. I think you can unmute and ask your questions. Bhagya, Padmaja, do you have any questions? No recording, nothing. Chari? Surya
Why
Prakash?
bin and obj file reopen again?
Come again?
Why bin and obj file deleted permanently but reopened again?
Which one? Which OBJ?
obj and bin file deleted,
Hmm.
but why reopen again?
It will automate. I never deleted the OBJ. See, it will automatically create it. Compiler will create that file.
Okay.
OBJ file will be created. That is an object file. Compilation will take care. Okay, you no need to worry. See, The entire object of assembly name, everything will be available here. Okay. This is the source file. Yeah.
Yes.
So even if you delete, it automatically create the OBJ file. You no need to worry about OBJ file. You just worry about only the bin, binary file. Bin is nothing but a binary file. OBJ is nothing but a object file. Always you need binaries. You should not require OBJs. Okay. Great question, Namrata. Anybody have any questions? If not, tomorrow at 9 p.m., I want everybody should be joined. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
And those who want to talk to me or planning to register, please confirm me by tomorrow and day after tomorrow, because we are already completed 3 sessions, not 4 sessions, and we are continually going for the classes. So if you have any concerns, issues, you can ping me or talk to me. Not now, because after 1 hour, I have another class at 10 a.m., 10 p.m. Once I complete it, tomorrow we can discuss. Thank you all. Have a great day.
Thank you.